We all know that bleaching of the skin to get a lighter complexion, or you can say bleaching to become white, is very common in Jamaica. Most dancehall artists bleach their skin. Not all of them, though you have a few that keep their natural complexion. It even reached to the point where if people don't have money to buy the bleaching cream, they steal it. If you don't believe me, just look at this video.
This is a man thief bleaching cream, guys. But me still not understand how you get the bleaching cream, the thief bleaching cream. Alright, look on the bleaching cream then. How him get that? For thief it.
How you get that?
How him get that?
How you get it?
Yo. Sorry. How him get that? Carry come. Put it on him. Put it. And the auntie little auntie. How him get this a bleaching cream? You see him a thief bleaching cream. Look where bleaching cream. See the under. How him get in?
How you get that bleaching cream?
And then give you a little thief in but.
Yeah, it is that serious. Now let us look what our fellow brother have to say about using these toxic bleaching cream on the skin.
Come closer. Yo, the message of the people them with the bleach. Did you know that 3 steroids in a bleaching cream will convert woman into man? Yes, make you start grow a beard and convert man into woman and close down muscle development. That's why man them hand fat on their foot and the man them start become feminine and the woman them start become masculine. Did you know that the skin is the outside liver, and that's why we have so much liver dialysis in Jamaica right now? They not tell you, know, the more you bleach out your skin, and the weaker you get. Yo, not tell them, say me tell you, you hear?
Yeah. So let me know whether you guys believe if what he say is true or not. Also, check out this other one.
Skin bleaching is a slow way to commit suicide. Whenever time you start to bleach your skin, it means that you are altering what you are. It means that you are changing what you are. For reasons of self-hate, for reasons of self-doubt, for reasons of wanting to fit in. Skin bleaching is extremely toxic. You are putting toxins on your skin. Everything that you apply on your skin externally seep into your bloodstream. And these things inside of your bloodstream also bleach the blood. It also kills the pigments out of your blood. It also lower your iron, cause if you become iron deficient when these things happen. And people, skin bleaching is one of the worst thing you could ever do as a black person, as a person who represent the sun. Because the sun will seep into that skin and the sun will be going deeper and deeper and your body won't be absorbing this sunlight. And as a result, it will damage and destroy you permanently. Skin bleaching alter your brain wave, people. Skin bleaching alter your brain wave because it is changing the chemical makeup of what you are, people. Skin bleaching will destroy you. It will get you out of a state of being honored into a state of being dishonored. You are changing your makeup. You are changing what the Almighty created. You are changing what the Creator created for you to be who you are. This is your identity. We are people of the sun. We are supposed to be inside of the sun, absorbing the sun. And if you can't absorb the sun, it means that you can't absorb light. Everything push towards the light. Everything that is growing push towards the light, because we are literally antennas people. We are people that connected on the earth that is negatively charged and this event that is positively charged. And when we bleach with skin, we are tampering with that, or we receive, because the whole entire body is an antenna. People, blissful light and love, on stop damage on the skin. Give thanks and praise for life. Yeah, man.